Section 3. Testing and Assessing. In this section, we are going to take a look at creating an online test, embedding the online test in Moodle, creating a test within Moodle, setting the rules for the test, assessing the test, creating an online test. In this video, we are going to take a look at exploring flexiquiz.com, signing up in flexiquiz.com, creating an online test, publishing the test. First of all, we need to enter flexiquiz.com and we need to sign up in order to create the test. So we click on sign up, we complete the necessary fields. In this case, I've already signed up. After signing up, we are going to log in. We are going to start exploring flexiquiz.com. We are going to click on create quiz. We are going to enter the quiz name. After we enter a name for the quiz, we are going to click on create quiz. We are going to click on add item. It says question, media or text, import questions or question bank. We are going to click on question. We've got an HTML editor. As we have a free account, there are some things that we can't use because there are several ways that we can use FlexiQuiz. In this case, we are going to use the free version. So there are items which are not available for the free version. We are going to choose the type of question. It says single choice with drop-down or radio button, multiple choice, picture choice, fill in the blanks, or matching text or free text. We are going to choose single choice. After we design the question, we are going to write the options and we are going to tick on the correct option. We can also edit the items with the HTML editor. We can also choose another option, or if we agree with the question that we have designed, we are going to click on save and add another one. Once we finish designing the questions, we click on save. So this is the way the test looks. We can add a page, we can keep on adding questions, or we can configure the test. Once we have finished, we click on configure. We have several items that we can add or change in this section. We can also work on grading. There are more items that we can pay attention to. Once we have explored all the items which are available for the free version, we are going to click on publish. We are going to click on use the quick link and we are going to click on publish quiz. We click on OK.